Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Dhoifatul Hasanah. I come from English Education Department. Here I would like to present you the PowerPoint of my thesis. And the title is Classification of Student Ability in Writing Narrative Text by Using Pictures and and I choose in Al-Kausar English course as an instrument of my research. Okay, here there are table of content. Number 1, chapter 1, that is introduction, consists of background of study, focus of study, and statement of study. And then chapter 2, that is review of related literature, consists of literature review and conceptual framework. And the last chapter 3, that is research method, consists of research design, present of researcher, and data analysis. Okay, chapter 1, there is introduction. Okay, here there are background of study. I take a definition of writing and 5 elements of writing. Okay, so here writing means a communication process of conveying ideas and opinion in writing from carried out by students. Through writing, students can express their ideas freely without having face the reader directly. And then, according to Farisa, 5 important elements in writing, namely contents, organizations, vocabulary, language use, and making. The focus of study in this research, when I observation at Al-Kausar English course, I found that many problems that can be identified relate to students' English ability in writing narrative text. And several problems are: students don't have enough practice in writing text. Students have low ability in vocabulary. Students have low ability in organizing ideas. Students have low ability in writing main idea. And then students have low ability in writing narrative text. So I hope I can change the situations at Al-Kausar English course to be better. Next, here there are statements of the problem. I find that 2 statements of the problem at Al-Kausar English course where I doing the research in this English course. So there is number 1, how the ability of student in writing narrative text at Al-Kausar English course. And number 2, what difficulties do the student find in writing narrative text at Al-Kausar English course. Objective of study. Okay, the objective of this study, they are to overcome students' difficulties in writing skill, help improve ideas, and help express students' ideas with narrative text in writing skill. Okay, and then chapter 2, review of literature. Okay, I take the ability definition of ability, and then some literature of writing. Okay, there is the ability is the skill or competence. The ability of the student in learning can be seen from the result of the learning itself, and the ability of the student to master the material around the set, even though they are taught by the same teacher, because their ability to grasp the material are different. So, And then, according to Riddle 2003, by writing, the emphasis of accuracy is far greater than by talking written achievement. On the other side, often get accuracy example value the application form and formal language because they recognize this, and many students feeling under pressure when writing. And then there is 5 significant components in writing. There are content, organization, vocabulary, language use, and technique. Okay, and then there is narrative text. Narrative text here a type of text that's purpose to amuse and to deal with actual and various experience in different ways. And the step for constructing a narrative text, there is orientation, resolution, and complication. And then chapter 3, that is research method. Okay, I take research design consists of research method here consists of research design, the presence of researcher, and data analysis. So research design in my research. In this research, I choose a qualitative method. So, according to Nana Sukmadianata, descriptive qualitative research is aimed at describing existing phenomena, both natural and human engineered, which pays more attention to the characteristic, quality, and interrelationship between activities. And then next, the presence of researcher here. Okay, the instrument in this study were observation, writing tests, and documentation. So the research subject or student at Al-Kausar English course as respondents who were used to provide the information needed a population of the study in student of Al-Kausar English course, which consists of several various measures, and the population is around 14 students. They were all taken or the subject of study. Okay, and then the last, data analysis. Okay, the data analysis in this research, first we are doing the observation at Al-Kausar English course. The researchers described 2 brochures containing questions from researchers about writing skill and material about writing narrative text along with example. And also we are giving a writing test. The researcher described paper containing a picture series and then asked students to create narrative text in their perspective language according to the picture. Okay, maybe that's all for my presentation. Forgive me if there are mistakes. Thank you for attention. As I said, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.